Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a WRX engine. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including an engine hoist, jack stands, and a complete socket set. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, safely drain the engine oil, coolant, and power steering fluid into appropriate containers. Finally, remove the hood and front bumper to provide ample working space. Now, systematically disconnect all electrical connectors and vacuum lines attached to the engine. Labeling them can be very helpful for reassembly. Carefully detach the fuel lines and all coolant hoses. Proceed to remove the intake manifold, the exhaust downpipe, and any accessory belts, such as the alternator and power steering belts. With the engine supported by your hoist, begin unbolting the engine mounts from the subframe. There are typically two main engine mounts to address. Next, carefully remove all bolts connecting the engine to the transmission housing. Double-check that all connections between the engine and chassis are completely free before proceeding to the next step. With everything disconnected, slowly and carefully lift the engine straight up and out of the engine bay using the hoist. Have a second person observe to ensure no lines or wires are still snagged. Once clear, gently lower the engine onto a sturdy engine stand. This provides a stable platform for any further work or repairs you plan to perform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.